I'm Lorenzo. Behind me is Swiper, and these are my new purchase. These are the RayNeo Air 4 Pro AR augmented reality glasses. And you'll see two little screens within the lenses here, behind the sort of the shades of the glasses themselves. And they have an HUD heads-up display that shows the telemetry data from what you're seeing. And I'm obviously seeing that through my DJI Mini 4 Pro RC2 controller. So these, I mean, it's like an FP goggles if you ever use FPV goggles, your Google or your DJI headsets. So it basically gives you that kind of data, and you're seeing what you're seeing on your RC, and it's repeating on your heads-up display on your glasses, and that's it. And of course, it's very difficult to show you. It's kind of a trust me bro update review, because it's like me selling shampoo. You can't really see what's going on, although I will put an overlay for you as best as I can in what I'm seeing from behind me, and then we'll go from there. But of course, these have a very Matrix style feel to them. If you like the movie Matrix with Neo and Morpheus, etc. The CAA rules in the UK, you have to have a spotter, and I have one just behind me. So flying FPV, those are the regulations that you are required. So further to do, Swiper wants to be Neo, so let's do the Matrix. Let's start swiping.